HCPCS Level 2 JJ-HCA Procedures, page 005, part 20.
C. Type of HCPCS Level 2 codes.
Types of HCPCS Level 2 codes. There are several types of HCPCS Level 2 codes depending on the purpose for the codes and who is responsible for establishing, means creating, and maintaining them, and means keeping them running, right?
Yes.
That's maintaining. Okay, now we have a little table there that gives you a little coding tips for HCPCS Level 2. The first tip is
the coder should be sure that a HCPCS Level 1 code is not available before assigning a HCPCS Level 2 code.
right. First, if it's a procedure, especially if it's a procedure, you go to the HCPCS Level 1 codes, which is the CPT. Try to find it there. If you don't find it there, then you go to the Level 2, okay? First, start with the Level 1, which is the CPT. We studied with it and made a lot of problems with CPT. So you go to CPT first, and if you don't find that procedure in CPT HCPCS 1, then you go to Level 2, right? What's the other one? The other tip?
The coder needs to read the selected code carefully because some codes indicate each or per, so the quantity reported may need to be more than one.
All right, don't assume that if you have 2 or 3 or 4 procedures or supplies, that there's only one code. You have to read the description, and if they tell you that you have to include several codes for several procedures, then you have to do that, okay? Those are the 2 theory tips or lessons for today, and now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, HCPCS JJ-HCA, page 602, exercise 22, and it reads like this.
Boot, pelvic.
Boot, pelvic. A boot, something that covers your feet or your leg and your pelvis, and this is specifically for the pelvis, or pelvic, right? So we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and find the HCPCS Level 2 code for a boot, pelvic. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is E0944. Okay, if you got that, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. Okay, the tip that we have is
start with the given item, which is boot.
Boot, right? Boot is just like if you investigate a little bit, it's just like a harness of belt that holds together the pelvis, right? For instance, this would be like a belt, and a boot would be from here all the way to the feet, right? So they're similar, okay? So, but you, in this case, they're asking for a boot pelvic, so you start with boot, okay, in the index. So you already have the tip, and you already have the answer. The answer is E0944, so we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path to the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is a supply, a medical supply. It's called a boot pelvic, and we need you to find the HCPCS Level 2 code. So there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to boot.
Boot. You go to the letter B, and you look for boot, and then
pelvic.
Pelvic, right? And we get a code there. What's the code?
E0944.
E0944. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to E0944.
Which is the code that you found in the index. And what does it read there?
Pelvic belt. Harness boot.
Right. This code is for a pelvic belt, for a pelvic harness, or for a pelvic boot, which are similar names for similar products, right? So we choose the pelvic boot, and that's the one that we need. That's why there's an equal sign there, and the answer is E0944. Okay, so thanks for visiting our website. We invite you now to visit our website.
And also you could subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, you just click in the red rectangle, right, that says subscribe.
Right.
And they'll get?
And you will get up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding and certification exams.
Okay, so don't forget, visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.